Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Our necessity so far, our bodily necessities are concerned, and eating, sleeping, and mating, and defending. That is arranged for everyone, according to his life. That is arranged. So in the lower species of life, they cannot understand that everything is there, arranged. Although they know, just like a bird rises in the early morning, he knows there is some food. He knows. But still, he is busy to find out the food. So little business, little flying from one tree to another, he sees enormous fruits, all small and big, there are so many fruits they can eat. Similarly, for all the living entities, there is arrangement for food, drink, eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. There is arrangement. Even in Africa, there are some trees which produces fruits. Those fruits are harder than the iron bullet. But these fruits are used by the gorillas. They collect those fruits just like we chew some nuts. So they also enjoy chewing that nut. But it is so hard. I read in some book. So perhaps you also know, the quarter of the jungle where gorillas live, God gives them fruit. Yes, here is your food. So there is everything arranged. There is no scarcity. We have created scarcity of vidya due to ignorance. Otherwise there is no scarcity. Purnamida. Therefore, Ishopanishad says, Purnam, everything is complete. Just like we want water. We want water very much. Just see how God has created these oceans. You can take whatever water we are using, that is from the ocean. The stock is there. It is simply distributed from the stock. By nature's arrangement, God's arrangement, it is evaporated by sunshine. It is evaporated and it becomes gaseous, cloud. The water is there. By other arrangement, this water is distributed all over the surface. And it is stored on the top of the hill to supply you constantly. The river is coming down. Throughout the whole year, the water supply is there. In this way, we study the whole situation, creation of the Lord. You will find everything is complete, perfect. That is philosophy. Everything is complete. There is no necessity. Our only necessity is that we take advantage of Krishna's arrangement. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.